Okay, let's talk about our colors real quickly before we start. My base coat is going to be Amsterdamn titanium white. My secondary color is going to be, well, secondary, it's not really secondary. My next color is going to be burnt umber. This is just Sonja. It is an opaque color. Next down is going to be a combination of my gold light and my gold deep by Amsterdamn, followed by Syrah by this little Piggy, and finally the Syrah in Crimson Hue, and that's it. That both of these are transparent colors. These are semi-transparent. So base pillow and the burnt umber are opaque, semi-transparent, transparent. I'm going to be mixing these in the same way that Canella does hers, and I'm going to have to play some games with it because I don't have some of the things differently than what she usually uses. So this is the unknown here. We're going to see what we're going to do, and I've never really, for a Dutch pour type of I've never used dry pigment, so I'm going to have to play games with that. I think what I'm going to do to thicken it up is I'm going to disperse the pigment in just a little bit of US Floetrol just to get it wet, and then I'm going to add some acrylic gel medium to bring it to consistency before I start mixing. So that's the plan. Let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to have to do this quickly. The wind has decided to come up. It blew over my painting tent, so I'm going to have to move very quickly. And basically, my paints are a mix up. I'll talk about the colors inside, and I'll tell you how I mix them together. Today's going to be a Dutch pour, and I'm going to blow it out with my trusty hairdryer. So I'm going to get right to it. Excuse me if I rush this, but here we go.
At this point, I'm just going to try to move as much of the paint off of the canvas as I possibly can, because I have a real sense that I'm going to have some drying issues with this. It is extremely dry in Arizona, and I'm struggling with this. So this is my effort to try to mitigate that slightly. Let's see how this ends up being. Now at this point, I'm looking and I'm saying, I actually kind of like the cells I'm getting here, and the fact that they look like they may hold up. I'm still very, very concerned about how it's going to dry. And I think, as we see in just a second here, I had good reasons to be nervous about this. I came back about an hour later, and you'll see in a second I had quite a bit of crazing along the outside of it. It's a learning experience. I decided to post this mainly for the fact that, you know, these things are good to see that other people struggle. This has been Thursday Train, and up next after me is going to be Justin East, followed by Art by Julie E. So stick around. Let's see what the others have come up with this week.
If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free.
Okay, I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you really did get something out of this. So, until next time, bye for now.